Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the Sony native camera to cloud function without the need of an additional software or hardware. Make sure your camera is up to date and let's get started. For this to work, you will have to connect your camera to the Sony Creators app. If you don't know how to do that, check the description below. On your mobile device, just press Camera Settings, press Cloud Function, Start Settings, and follow the instructions. We now have to set up the Wi-Fi on our camera. Press the menu button, go under the Network tab, choose Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Connect, and turn it on. Just follow the instructions, choose your Wi-Fi name, and link the camera to the cloud. After that, let's go to our mobile device into Settings and set up the cloud and choose the format we would like to upload. To speed up the upload time, I've decided to upload only highly compressed file types. The biggest difference to other camera-to-cloud services is that the camera won't start uploading until you flip that on and off button and reboot your camera. Only then, the camera will start uploading. But first, make sure to set your auto power off temperature to high. For that, let's dive in onto the menu. Click Setup. Power setting option. Power, auto power off, temperature set to high. Let's now check that everything has been set up properly. Press the menu button, select Network, Creators Cloud, Cloud Information, and now we see everything is connected properly. Make sure you've enabled proxy recording. Let's test it out. Press Record. So now I'm going to turn off the camera and turn it back on right away, and you should see the two arrows on the right side of the cloud icon. At the same time the clip appears on my mobile device or desktop, you can download multiple files as a zip file. Afterwards, double-click to open the zip file and make sure to rename the items. So later on, you can relink your proxies with the NLE of your choice. So guys, that's it with this tutorial. If you're looking for another camera-to-cloud solution, I can highly recommend to check out Frame.io. But this one is free up to 25 gigabytes if you're a Sony user. Leave a comment down below and let me know on what project you're going to use this feature. See you on the next one. Bye.